Hey there, future data scientists. Now ready to unlock the data secrets of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. We are about to embark on an exciting journey together. Whether you are a coding newbie or already have some experience, this video will break down these complex topics into easy to understand bytes. By the end of this video, you will have crystal clear understanding and be ready to confidently discuss these with anyone. Let's get started. We will dive into the key concepts, we'll explore real world examples, and even have a little fun along the way. Get ready to be amazed of the power of data. Introduction. Ready to crack the code of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. These are the building blocks that the power of the future. Before going into deep, let's discuss two examples. Imagine you are a detective and solving a mystery. Here, data scientist is like gathering clues. Machine learning is connecting the dots and analyzing the evidences. Deep learning is like identifying the hidden patterns. Artificial intelligence is the detective putting it all together to solve the case. I hope you would understand this example. Let's take one more example. Take example of your smartphone. Think about your smartphone. It uses artificial intelligence for voice recognition, facial recognition, and app recommendation. That's the power of these technologies. Now let's dive in and become AI experts. We'll break down these concepts and we'll explore real world examples. Let's talk about data science. It's like being detective, but instead of solving crimes, you are uncovering hidden secrets within data. So what does the data scientist do? It collects data, means gathering information from different sources. It cleans data, means it tides up messy data to make it usable. It prepares data, means gets the data ready for the analysis. Analyze data. It uses statistical techniques and algorithms to find the pattern. It uses visualized data, means it creates chart and graphs to tell stories with that data. Think of data science tools like you are detective and you are using toolkit, which could be a popular tool choices like Python, R, SQL, Excel, Tableau, and many more. Let's take an example. Imagine you are analyzing real estate data. You might discover people in a certain area are more interested in buying homes. That's the power of data science. It helps to us to uncover trends and make informed decisions. Let's dive into the machine learning. Imagine teaching a computer to learn and make decisions on its own. That's the magic of machine learning. How does it work and what are the key activities? First of all, what is supervised learning? Supervised learning means teaching machine with labeled data like classifying email as spam or not a spam. Unsupervised learning means lets machine find a pattern on its own, like grouping customers by the similar behavior. Reinforcement learning teach the machine that the rewards and punishments, like training a self-driving car. Think of a machine learning tools as your training equipment. Popular choices could be like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras, etc. Let's continue our realistic example. We could use machine learning to predict house prices based upon historical data like square footage, location, and number of bedrooms. That's the power of machine learning in action. Let's dive deeper into deep learning. It's like supercharged version of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers. Key technique in deep learning includes convolution neural network, recurrent neural networks, generative adversarial networks. CNN is a great for the recognizing pattern in images. RNN is perfect for processing sequential data like text or time series. Can like that is generational adversarial networks used to create new realistic data like images or music, etc. Popular deep learning tools are like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras. Let's continue that our house example. Imagine you just bought a new apartment. You now bunch of stuff in your apartment. Let's capture images of all those belongings. We could train neural network to recognize those objects in from those images. That's the power of deep learning. Let's talk about the big picture. Artificial intelligence. AI is about creating intelligence machine that can think, learn, and solve problems like humans. It's a broad field that includes machine learning, that is teaching machine to learn from data. Deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning using neural networks. Natural language processing, enabling computers to understand and generate human language. Robotics, building an intelligent low robot that can interact with the real world. Computer vision, teaching computers to see and understand images. Think about a self driving car, virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, AI powered chatbots. These are examples of artificial intelligence in action. Let's compare these AI concepts side by side. First, we'll see focus of these. Data science focuses on the big picture of extracting insights from the data. Machine learning focuses on teaching computers to learn from examples. Deep learning is powerful subset of neural network. Artificial intelligence is a broader goal of creating intelligent agents. Now coming on the techniques. Data science uses analyzing the data, visualizing the trends. Machine learning could be supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning. Deep learning uses neural networks like CNN, RNN, scans. Artificial intelligence is a wide range of technology, including all of the above tools. Tools for data science are Python, R, SQL, and more. Machine learning uses scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and more. Deep learning uses TensorFlow, PyTorch. Artificial intelligence depends on the specific AI application. Example could be for the data science could be the analyzing the customer buying pattern. Machine learning here would be the predicting the house prices based upon historical data. Deep learning would be the recognizing the objects in an images. Artificial intelligence is a self-driving car uses all these technologies. Remember these concepts are interconnected. Data science is the foundation. Machine learning is a powerful tool. Deep learning is a specialized technique. Artificial intelligence is a overreaching goal. Let's recap the key takeaways from this exciting journey. Data science is a big picture. It's about extracting the insights from the data. Machine learning is a powerful tool within the data science, teaching computers to learn. Deep learning is a specialized technique within a machine learning, uses neural networks. Artificial intelligence is a overreaching goal, creating intelligence agents that can reason, learn, and solve problems. So remember these key points. Data science is an umbrella. Machine learning is a subset of data science. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Artificial intelligence encompasses a broader range of technologies. Now you are ready to deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence, data science. Let's explore more topics in the upcoming videos.